2 is the most important step in the process of repainting your pool with a new paint. And the reason it's the most important is because you're preparing the surface for an epoxy or acrylic coating. Now, the necessary recommended materials to prepare your surface are the following. First thing is you get muriatic acid from your local pool supply. You need soda ash to neutralize the acid once it collects down at the deep end. You just sprinkle some of that soda ash so that it doesn't stain the bottom of the swimming pool. Third thing is some personal protective equipment, PPE. You're gonna need a mask, your rubber gloves or latex gloves to protect your hands when you're mixing the acid and the water. Once you pour about 70% of water, that's about 3/4 of this bucket. You're gonna pour about 30%, the rest with acid to dilute it. That'll be your solution for cleaning. You're gonna need a stiff bristle hand brush to open up those pores down in the bottom of the swimming pool and on your walls. You can also get a bristle broom so you don't have to do as much bending, but the idea is to spread that acid throughout the walls and the floor so that it does open up some pores so that you can prepare your surface for your primer and then your epoxy coating. Okay, so now we have our acid wash solution for the pool surface ready to go and apply. So I've got my bristle brush here and I do have the broom to finish it off. So I'm just going to apply it starting at the wall. Just do a few sections just to show you and demonstrate to you how to apply the acid wash. So don't forget your long sleeve shirts. That's the one thing I forgot when I was scrubbing. So just wanted to remind everybody. Safety first. This neutralizes the acid. All right, well, hello everybody. So here we are getting ready to prime the pool. So after you have taped it, masked it, and taped it for the trim and repair all the tile and any patchwork you have to do on any steps or any concrete, you now are ready for your prime. So here's the masking job for the pool. New tape called Frog. It's Frogger from Home Depot. So you can easily get those rolls. They come in a 2-pack. And you just mask the pool. And that's how you finalize the prep for priming. So just create some covers here for the outlets and the lights and the other outlets. Then if you have any patchwork to do for concrete, just do that the day before, let it dry. This one finishes as a rough surface because this is the first step in the pool, so it's always safety first. So I wanted to get that done yesterday. So it's pretty nice and dry, and it's going to be ready for priming to seal. Okay, we're almost done. And as you can see, the process is coming along, and we are almost there. So here you go as it gets primed, and that looks like a good foundation. So you want to use the Prime It primer from Leslie's Pool for bare concrete surfaces. That's the appropriate primer. All right, so we have the Smart Seal DuraSeal Epoxy. This is the gloss finish. It's a 2-part catalyst system, and it's up to 8 years of service life. So your paint color will last up to 8 years. Now this is from Leslie's, and the code for the color is called 522 Blue Heaven. Okay, so this is about $115 per can, and it comes along with this catalyst. This is a Catalyst 520C, and it's from Leslie's Smart Seal. You can pick it up at any Leslie's pool supply, and it's Duraseal epoxy. So you have to add the entire can, just like the primer, into the gallon container, and you have to mix it thoroughly. So again, I have the little paint mixer right here attached to my power tool, and I'll just go ahead and pour that in there and I'll start stirring. Looks like honey. Check it out. Looks like honey. Start off real slow. Oh, this color is a beautiful color. Heaven, blue heaven.